See you in the garden. So it's been quite a long while since I made a video. I just wanted to do this before I forgot about it. So these pumpkins have been chewed on by a rat or a possum. I'm not really sure. So these ones I've actually picked, but these have been on the vine like that. Now I used to use pepper. That's an old trick. So you just when it gets wet, after they've been bitten, they sort of start getting rotten, and the rot will go right in. Same with this one. There's two that I've saved. I used to use pepper, but I didn't have any abundant black pepper. I've never tried white pepper, but black pepper. So I've used chili powder. And my God, it's done a wonderful job. Wonderful job. They heal up on the vine and they keep growing. So the rot doesn't get in. Now, I also yes, the stem. This one too, somewhere. Yeah, anyway. Not as much as that one because that one got pretty wet. But it seems to me that this works. I've only just added more because I want to put them in storage and see how long they last. Anyway, good tip. So these are Queensland Blues originally, and I've managed to keep the seed true to form so far. We'll see. Okay, just so to end this video, just showing you what I've picked this year so far. There's a lot more out there, and they're all out the front. If you saw my original front garden video. And this one here is from last year. Still going strong. Still going strong. Oh, and we've picked one also. It's in the bottom of the freezer. So, it wasn't a large one. Something about this size. But we're going to have a good bunch of pumpkins this year. We should do the front garden pumpkin tour. And who knows what's going to end up out the back. Okay.